change gear, just push it down again. There you go.
And then for little kids, right?
Yeah. That's the funnest part, right? Remember why we enjoy toys? Because little kids like toys.
Yeah. Did you do AMRA then when they were still here?
Fun. The only thing is when you do about 50, it's scary because it does speed wobbles. Because your tire's only 10 inches in diameter, right?
Yeah. I remember when I was a kid.
I'm too scared to find out because at 50 it starts wobbling scarily. And I don't think a steering damper will really
So
help.
I have to go up, bring it back up?
Yeah, you don't have to. You just turn it off. It's called an auto clutch. So Honda's a...
There's some really cool vintage cute bikes here.
Remember, it's got real brakes, right? Like real brakes. Like a race bike brake.
Yeah. Might as well.
Get this turning around stuff.
That's a Kenny Roberts Marble Championship Edition.
Actually been on the track.
It's